So welcome to my channel. So here I have a solution how to solve effect problem. So first of all we will open Filmora 9 default effect page website in our Google Chrome. So then we will press on install. So this is installing, so it will take some time because it is just its size is above 1 GB, so it is just loading. So just wait a while. So it is approximately completed. So now we will press open button. So guys, here appeared a menu. The menu means that my Filmora is open, so that's why it is just not working. So I will just close my Filmora. Now I will press on OK. So it is solved. Now installing wizard appeared, so I will press install. So it is just installing. It will also take a small time, so you are requested to wait. So it is approximately installed. Now we will press on finish. Now I have cracked version, so if you want to crack Filmora 9, use it for free. So link is in description and watch my that video, so which will help you to crack Filmora. So Filmora is going to open. So it is open. I open new project. I will just import a video. So after importing video, I will drag and drop it. I will adjust its size. Now I will just click on titles, effect and transition menu. Wow, it is appeared. So in this way you can just solve this effect pack disable problem, titles and transition disable problem. So if you like video, so please subscribe my channel and share this video, so it may help other people. Okay, jazakallah, thanks.